The Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has revealed that Ronwen Williams asked him to give Relebohile Mofokeng his national team debut. Mofokeng, who's 19 years old, came on in injury time, replacing Oswin Napolis, with Tebogo Mokoena seen passing the ball out of play for the substitution to happen before the final minute. After the match, Mofokeng was seen jumping onto the Williams, with Broos explaining the Bafana Bafana captain was the one who asked whether the teenage sensation could be handed his debut with the game at 3-1 and only few minutes left to be played. He said, Ronwen came and said, "Coach, what do you think for the last minutes? Maybe really." I said, "Okay, good idea." Therefore, really came. That shows again how the atmosphere is in this group. And I said it already. Those are the 23 friends. They are not colleagues, they are friends. And when they can do something for someone else, they do it. Ronwen did also a year ago or something with Veli Motor. He came out 5 minutes before the end and Veli came in the end. Today he's coming and said, "Come on, put really." I said, "Good idea." That shows again how the atmosphere is and how they treat each other. Again, they are friends. This is very important because only 11 can play, and I said it also to the group. The other 12 on the bench are equally important, and we see today the proof. Tapelo sat on the bench in the beginning. Second half, he came in and he helped us to win today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.